What is up, accurate traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I made all this profit trading the volatility indices market using a very simple trading strategy that I'm going to explain and teach to you guys. As you can see, I am in profit on a couple of trades on volatility indices. We've got V75 right there. We've got V10. We also have V75 1S and your V100. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I ended into my trade and what I was looking for when I was using this strategy. I'm also going to share with you guys the settings for the strategy so that you don't struggle to look for them. And we're going to set up the strategy together actually so that we can have the same kind of charts when we are using this strategy. So stay up until the end so that you learn exactly how this strategy can give you some profits and how exactly you can apply it. Like I said, you can trade with a strategy on any market, be it the volatility indices market, the currencies market, or boom and crash. I'm going to do a video on boom and crash. If you guys are interested in that, make sure that you click the like button down below. So let's jump into some of the trades that we took and see what exactly we were looking for. Okay, so right here we've got V75. Let's start with V75. I know you guys really enjoy trading volatility 75 because I know it has got a very high pip value and it is quite volatile, so you can make some quick dollars when you start trading it. So the first thing that we'll have to do is to, of course, set up the strategy so that we know exactly what we are looking at. Right now, you can see the trade is in profit. We're going to be patient on this one, and I'm also going to be showing you guys why I left it like this. And we're also going to be looking at the others that I also took using the same strategy. Okay, so the first indicator that we're going to need for this strategy to work, we're going to have head on to our indicator section. I'm going to click on main window. Then we're going to add a moving average at first. This moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 14, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close. We're not going to have any levels on this one. And on visualization, please allow it to be on all time frames so that when you switch across all your time frames, you still have the same strategy. And then on your style, which is the color of your indicator, we're going to choose a green color for this one. And I'm going to click done. And as you can see, we now have a green moving average running across my charts right there. Okay. Next, we're going to need another indicator, heading again on to our main window. I'm going to choose moving average once again, and this time around we're going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 50, so I'm going to remove that 14 and we're left with a period of 50. Everything else remains the same, that is the shift of 0, method is exponential, apply to close. And I'm just going to change my color for this one to red. Okay, and then I'm going to click done. And now, as you can see, we now have the red and we now have the green line. Okay, so now we have the main chart ready. What we are left with is setting up our indicator window one that is going to help us with confirmations. Remember, when you are taking a trade, you always want to have at least 3 confirmations on a particular setup. That is 3 different types of techniques that are confirming the same type of setup. I don't know if you guys really understood the part. So I'm going to add an indicator window one. Going back to my indicator section, I'm going to click on main window. This time around, we're going to click on stochastic oscillator. And this stochastic oscillator is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We've got a percentage K period of 1, we've got a percentage D period of 1, we've got a slowing of 1, and we've got a price field of low over high, and a method of simple. Now, the most important part on this indicator is the levels that we have to have on our charts. And we've got the level 20, which is going to be our buy zone, and we also have the level 80, which is going to be our sell zone. I'm just going to make this style of our levels to be black so that they are clear and visible on our charts and to avoid any confusion. So once I'm done, I'll simply click on done. And right here on your style, I want you guys to take note of the fact that your main and your signal should have the same color that is on your background charts. so that you don't have any confusion. So mine is white. That's why you see that my main and my signal are all white. Okay, so we're done. So I'm going to click on done, and as you can see down below here, we now have our levels fully installed. We've got level 80 to 100, which is our sell zone, and we've got level 20 to 0, which is the buy zone. Now, last but not least, we need the indicator that is going to confirm to us to know when to enter a buy trade and when to enter a sell trade. Okay, so going to my indicator section, this time around, we're going to click on indicator window 1. Okay, and we're going to add a moving average on that indicator window 1. And the properties for that moving average are going to be as follows. We're going to have a period of 10 right here. Everything else remains the same. You can pause this video and write. And we're going to change this color to a black color on style. And I'm going to click done. Now, as you can see, we now have the black line down here as the last indicator installed for our strategy. And now we're just left with understanding when to buy and when to sell when using this strategy. I'm also going to be explaining the examples of the trades that we're currently in and why we took those trades. Okay, so at this point right now, we need to know what we are looking for. Okay, I usually enjoy starting from my 1 hour time frame for clearer entries, as you can see. And looking from the 1 hour time frame, the first thing that I was looking for was the position for this black line, right? If I want to enter a trade, I have to look at this momentum indicator and see its position. So down here, I would see that we are now in the buy zone. Okay, so ready, I'm marking this section as a buy zone. I'm looking for a triangle to add to this section. Okay, we've got a buy zone right there. So already my first confirmation for a buy trade or for a trade reversal, since we were coming from this sell trade, was to have this black line in my buy zone. So that was the first sign that we might actually enter into a buy trade on V75. The second thing that I was looking for is a price confirmation. So I wanted to see my price action. What is my price saying? Is it still saying that we are bearish, or is it now saying that we are bullish? And for me to know that we are bullish, I want to see my price crossing to be above my green line, which is my dynamic support and resistance. So once I see my price above my green line, I know that the average price in the market is increasing, so I'm most likely going to go up. So that was my second confirmation for this trade. And for you guys that are wondering why then it is up here, it is because in lower time frames we actually see that the confirmation came way down below there. So I could see this from a very low time frame. Okay, and we're also looking for a golden cross as our third confirmation. And what is the golden cross? This is when you see your green line crossing to be above your red line, and would find that opportunity in our 5 minute time frame. Okay, we'll find that opportunity in our 5 minute time frame, and as you can see, that's how we ended into this beautiful buy trade. Okay, so this was the first trade. Let's go to V10-1S and see what we were looking for as well. Took a massive sell trade on V10, and this was because we had all conditions met actually in our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so when you want to sell, it's basically the opposite of when you want to buy. So this time around, we're seeing that our black line was up there in our sell zone. That was the first condition. Second condition was we saw a break of market structure when candlesticks started to cross and close below the green line. This time they have to close below the green line because we are looking for selling opportunities. Okay, and of course the golden cross, whereby the green line crosses with the red line, confirming that cross and that change of market direction. And as you can see, we jumped right on to that sell trade, and it's still selling up to now. We are deep in profit. And I'm also going to touch on how when to take profit or when to stop loss in the next video. If you guys want to see that, make sure you comment down below that you are interested. Okay, so you can see that we had so many opportunities in the market on V75 again. 1S this time we had the same opportunity and that we maximized on. Okay, and on V100 with the same opportunity in the market. So even if you check on lower time frames, you find that the same conditions were being repeated over and over again. Now, if you guys are interested in joining our group, I'll be picking one person in each and every video from the comment section to join our VIP signals group for free. So if you want to be part of that, leave a comment in the comment section and you'll be our winner in the next video. Don't forget to like this video first and make sure that you are a subscriber. Subscribe, like this video and comment down below, and you can stand a chance to be in our VIP signals group where I'll be sharing signals and trades that I'm entering into, and you can trade with us. You can also join our free Telegram channel. Yes, it's completely free to join. The link is in the description box below, and you'll be able to see our trades and have an opportunity to see our trade setups and all the results from our VIP signals group and all the activities that are happening as we are trading. So if you want a trading community, feel free to join it. It's completely free to join. There are over 8,000 traders in the group, and I'm sure it is going to help you grow in your trading journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Let's get to 100 likes and see you on the next one.